If you are looking to try something new for breakfast, this Turkish breakfast dish remains as one of the best options. As the name suggests, this dish originates from Turkey and it is a very important part of the Turkish cuisine. Hey guys, it's Marlene here with Savory Thoughts at savorythoughts.com. So in this video, we'll be making this delicious Turkish eggs recipe. So to begin, you want to start off by chopping your herbs. Next, in a bowl, add in your Greek yogurt, garlic powder, kosher salt, and the fresh parsley. For this, we used about 1 tablespoon of parsley. Now, as the name suggests, this recipe is mainly served during breakfast time, but it can also be enjoyed for lunch or even dinner. In a large skillet, melt your butter and add in your chopped garlic. Also season it with salt. Next, add in your paprika and chili powder. If you choose to do so, you can go ahead and add in chopped bell peppers or sliced bell peppers. Now, to make the eggs, we are actually poaching the eggs. So, you want to be sure that you are using fresh eggs. In a saucepan, go ahead and add in 4 cups of water with half a teaspoon of vinegar. Do not let the water boil because that will ruin your eggs. And once you're done, gently use a spoon to scoop out the eggs. When you are ready to serve, go ahead and add